In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenArt AI Avatar. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OpenArt Suite homepage. On the left sidebar, select Character. This is the workspace where you'll create, organize, and manage your avatars. You'll see options to begin from an existing image or to build a new character. Starting from an image is great if you already have a photo or concept you want to match. For this walkthrough, we'll build from scratch by describing the character. Choose. Describe your character to open the prompt field. In the prompt, clearly outline who you want. Include traits like age range, hairstyle, clothing, pose, mood, and any defining details. Add scene or lighting cues if you care about the overall vibe, such as soft studio lighting, dramatic shadows, or outdoor sunset. The more specific and visual your words are, the more consistent your results will be. Keep sentences simple and use commas to separate attributes so the AI can parse your ideas cleanly. Next, choose the model. Each model interprets prompts a little differently, so think of this as selecting the creative engine behind your avatar. If you have a desired look in mind, pick a model known for that style. If you're unsure, start with a general purpose option and refine from there. Select your style, such as photorealistic, anime, or another artistic direction. Photorealistic is best for lifelike avatars and professional headshots, while anime works well for stylized characters with bold shapes and expressive features. Choose the aesthetic that matches your use case. Decide how many images you want to generate. More variations give you a wider range to choose from, but they'll take a bit longer. If you're exploring, start with a handful of outputs. If you're chasing a very specific look, generating more can help. Click Generate and let the system process your request. When the results appear, scan for accuracy in facial features, proportions, and details you mentioned. If one stands out, select it and choose Set as Character. Give your character a clear, memorable name. You can also add a background story, which is optional but helpful for consistency. Briefly note personality, role, or backstory so future generations stay on theme. Finally, click Create. Your avatar is now saved to your character library, ready to reuse across scenes, poses, and prompts. If you want to iterate later, return to character, adjust your prompt, style, or model, and generate new variations while keeping the same core identity. That's all you need to confidently use OpenArt AI Avatar from start to finish.